Hi, welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to solve circle theorem questions from past papers. So the first question, we have been given a circle and ABC are points on the circle. Center is O. Angle AOB is equal to 40 degrees. Write down the sides of angle ACB. We have been given the angle at the center and we have to find the angle at the circumference. So we are going to use this theorem. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. To find angle ACB, divide 40, the angle at the center, by 2, you will get 20 degrees. Next, find the sides of angle OAB. This is what we are looking at, this angle. We know that this is a radius and this is a radius. So both the sides are equal, therefore it's an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the opposite base angles are also equal. So if this is x, this is going to be x also. To find x, we will write 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 40. X is equal to 140 divided by 2, which is 70. So angle OAB is 70 degrees. Next question. AD is the diameter of the circle ABCDE. BAC is 22. ADC is 60 degrees. AB and AD are parallel lines. Find the value of x, W, X, Y, and Z. First, we are going to find W. Before we start doing that, let's draw the triangle in which W is there. So W is in triangle ACD. AD is the diameter. Using the circle theorem, the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. If we have been given two angles and we want to find the third angle, we are going to subtract from 180 the other two angles, and that will give us 30. So W is equal to 30. Next, we will find x. Where is x? X is here. Using this theorem, angles in the same segment from a common chord are equal. Both these angles, they start from the same chord BC. So x is equal to 22. Now we'll find y. Using the same rule, we can see that w and y are same. So the value of y is 30 degrees. And now z is remaining. We have been given that AB and ED are parallel lines, so these are parallel lines. And if you cut the two parallel lines, this angle here is equal to this angle. If it makes a Z, see this is making a Z, so this angle is equal to this angle. The reason is alternate angles are equal. Therefore, Z is equal to, this is 22, so Z is equal to 30 plus 22, which is 55 degrees. Question number 3. ABC lie on the circumference of a circle center O. Work out the size of angle ACB. Give a reason for each step of your working. We will first have to find angle AOB. This is a radius and this is a radius. So triangle AOB is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle OAB is also 28. To find angle AOB, so angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 28 minus 28. The reason being isosceles triangle, and we will get 124. So this angle is 124. This is the angle at the center, and this is the angle at the circumference. Angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to 124 divided by 2, which is 62. And the reason is angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Question number 4. A, B, C, and D are points on the circle. AD is parallel to BC. The chords AC and BD intersect at X. Find the value of U and the value of V. So what is the value of U? Till now you must have understood that it is going to be 35. And what is the reason for it? Angles in that same segment are equal. Now that we know that U is 35, we need to find V. We also know that angle C is 35. Do you understand the reason why? AD and BC are parallel lines, and AC is a transversal. It cuts the parallel line. So therefore, angle DAC is equal to angle ACB, alternate interior angles. We have the two angles in a triangle now. To find the third angle, we are going to subtract from 180. 180 minus 35 will give us 110. So this angle is 110. Therefore, V is also 110 because vertically opposite angles are equal. If you have a cross like that and you have an angle here and angle here, they are equal. The reason being vertically opposite angles are equal. So V is 110. Part B. F, G, H are points on the circle center O. Find the value of P. We have been given the reflex angle. We need to find this angle here. To find the angle FOG, you know angles at a point are equal to 360. So 360 minus 210 will give us 150. So this angle is 150 degrees. And then we can see that we have the angle at the center and we want to find the angle at the circumference. So we are going to divide 150 by 2, which is 75. So P is equal to 75. Question number 5. A, B, and C are points on the circle with center O. Find the obtuse angle AOC. We know that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So this angle here will be 2 times 130, which is 260. But we are looking at the obtuse angle. 260 is the reflex angle. We also know that angle at the center is 360. So if I want to find this angle here, I have to subtract from 360 260, and that will give me 100. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to 100 degrees. Question number 6. A, B, and C are points on the circle center O. A, B, and OC intersect at P. Find the value of W. For this question, we have to do a few extra steps. First, we need to find this angle here. It is part of the triangle AOP. Two angles have been given, and to find the third angle, we will subtract from 180 minus 21 minus 104. Question number 6. A, B, and C are points on the circle center O. AP and OC intersect at P. Find the value of W. First, we will have to find OPA. We can see that AOP is a triangle. Two angles have been given to us. To find the third angle, we will subtract the other two angles from 180. 180 minus 104 minus 21 is 55. So this is 55. Therefore, even this angle will be 55 because vertically opposite angles are same. And then we will use the circle theorem. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So if the center angle is 104, this angle will be half of 104, which is 52. Now that we have got the two angles, to find the third angle, we are going to subtract from 180, 55 and 52, and we will get 73. Therefore, W is equal to 73. So this brings us to the end of this video. Please watch part 2 for more difficult questions on circle theorems.